Installing EAFC25 and addressing frame stuttering can enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth installation and optimal performance. Step 1. Download the game. Visit the official EA website or your preferred gaming platform to purchase and download EAFC25. Ensure that your system meets the minimum requirements for the game. Step 2. Install the game. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the game on your computer or console. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Before launching the game, check for updates to your graphics drivers. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers to improve performance and reduce stuttering. Step 4. Adjusting game settings. Launch EAFC25 and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as resolution and texture quality to see if this resolves frame stuttering. Experiment with different settings to find the best balance between visual quality and performance. Step 5. Optimize system performance. Close any unnecessary background applications to free up system resources. Additionally, consider adjusting your power settings to high performance mode to ensure your system is running optimally while playing the game. By following these steps, you should be able to install EAFC25 successfully and minimize frame stuttering for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your game.